All right. All right. How you doing today? Today, let's make some double bass drum patterns in the session players in the Logic Drummer and Logic Pro 11 here. Please do subscribe to my channel. I have hundreds of other videos in my back catalog, lots of music production stuff, free plugins, Logic Pro stuff, all kind of other things. So check that out. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell. Anyways, let's get into this. So what we're going to do here, we're going to select a new session player drummer. We'll do hard rock. See what happens here. Create a track, and then we're just going to go right into the manual mode here, right in 16th notes on the bass drum pattern, and then we'll put a snare in the 2 and 4, and let's see what happens. Very nice. Instant double bass part. And maybe we change the hi-hat up here. Maybe make it closed. Get a little, let's see here, closed hi-hat. And there we go. And then we could go in here, back into the manual mode. We could do another bar here. Make a different pattern, spice it up a bit. Write some notes in here, leave some out, put the snare there. Now let's see what happens. Nice. So pretty cool. Let's check out some other drummers, see what they sound like. Pop rock. Oh, the manual mode switched. So you have to redo it, which is kind of a bummer here. Let's just do the one bar then. Let's spice up the pattern. Put the bass in here, see what happens. I'll have him follow the kick and snare if we could do that. Actually, let's just write it in. Nice. Wonder if we just have it follow the drums, what happens. So that's really cool too. You could get really crazy with this stuff. So all right, there you go. Some really cool things you can do with the drummer here in Logic Pro 11. Makes a double bass drum excitement going on. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.